£12 million. That's what it costs to open your door and step right onto the sand. Let's see why. Welcome, everyone. Today we are standing in front of one of the most incredible homes I've ever seen. It's not just a house, it's a modern castle built directly on one of Britain's best beaches. The market price is £12 million. My job today is to walk you through every single room and see if this place is actually worth that staggering amount of money. I think you're going to be surprised. Let's start the tour. First, let's look at the outside. The house is huge. It's built from this beautiful pale stone that was dug up from a quarry just down the coast. That means it belongs here. It looks like it grew right out of the ground. For your cars, there's plenty of space. You have a big driveway plus 2 separate garages. One is a double garage, so you can fit several cars easily. But honestly, nobody buys this house for the garage space. You buy it for this, just look. The beach is literally your front garden. No road, no path, just your terrace, then sand, then the sea. On a clear day like today, you can see for miles. On one side, you look over at a quiet, green island. On the other side, you see a busy harbour full of boats. The location is everything. It's peaceful, but it's also full of life. You get the best of both worlds. Now let's go inside. I'm taking my shoes off because, well, it's a beach house. It just feels right to be barefoot. You step into the entrance hall, and the first thing you see is this amazing centerpiece. In the middle of the house is a round, shiny elevator. Wrapped around it is a beautiful spiral staircase. It's not just for going up and down, it's a work of art. The architect told me it was a big fight to get this built. The builders thought it was too complicated, but the owner wanted something special, something he would never get tired of looking at. And looking at it now, I think he won that fight. Let's walk into the main living area. This is the heart of the home. The space is completely open. You have the kitchen, the dining area, and the living room all flowing together. The floors are covered in these enormous tiles. Each one is so big, there are hardly any lines between them. It makes the whole space feel seamless and huge. The kitchen is every chef's dream, but it's also really smart. All the appliances are hidden behind smooth cabinet doors. The counters are made from a single piece of stone that curves gently. Built right into the counter are 3 induction cooktops. It looks so clean and modern. But the best part of the kitchen isn't the fridge or the oven. It's the view. The whole back wall is glass. Let me open these giant doors. Wow, just wow. You walk straight out from making a cup of coffee onto this massive terrace, and then there's nothing between you and the ocean. You can hear the waves, you can smell the salt air. The owner of this house keeps his boat at the marina you can see just over there. Imagine finishing breakfast, walking down to your private gate, and taking your boat out for the morning. That's the lifestyle we're talking about. Now come back inside with me. Look at this tall cabinet. It looks like a normal place to store plates, right? Watch this. I press the side and click. It opens to reveal a full bar. It's completely hidden. There's lighting, shelves for glasses, and space for every drink you can imagine. This is for those parties that start in the kitchen and never really leave. It's a brilliant little secret. Next to the kitchen is the formal dining space. The table is massive. It can seat 10 people comfortably. Hanging on the wall is a stunning piece of art. It's a photograph of a forest, but it's backlit with soft lights that make it look like it's glowing. It's a dramatic, beautiful focus point for when you have friends over for dinner. And from the dining table, you're still looking at the water. In fact, from almost every spot in this open room, you can see the sea. They've used blue and grey colours on the walls to match the sky and water outside. Even the big stone fireplace has hints of grey that look like wet sand. Speaking of fireplaces, the living room area is built around one. It's the perfect place to curl up on a cooler evening. The sofas are deep and comfortable, facing both the fireplace and the view. This isn't a showroom. It feels like a home you could actually live in every day. Now let's check out the cinema room. It's tucked away just off the living room. The door is incredible. It's a giant slab of wood that slides perfectly into the wall, so it disappears when it's open. There are no handles, you just push it. Inside, it's a proper movie theatre. The walls are covered in dark, sound-absorbing panels. There's a huge screen and big, comfortable leather chairs, but what's really cool is you have a choice. You can close the blackout blinds, turn on the projector, and have the full cinema experience. Or you can open the blind on that side wall, which reveals a huge window with a perfect view of the harbour. You could watch a film or just watch the boats go by. The choice is yours. Alright, ready for some fun? Let's go downstairs to the basement. This is where the party really happens. This whole floor is an entertainment zone. We've got a pool table here, a foosball table over there, and even a ping pong table that converts from one of the other tables. It's genius. In this corner, they've set up a second, more casual home theatre. There are 4 huge electric recliner chairs. They are unbelievably comfortable. I'm talking about the kind of chair you sink into and then need help getting out of. We actually had a little trouble finding the buttons to make them recline. It gave us a good laugh. But the basement has more surprises. Through this other door, we enter the garage. Yes, you can park your expensive cars in here, but look what else is in the garage. In the corner, there's a giant, dark wooden barrel. It's not for storage, it's filled with cold water and ice. This is a cold plunge pool. People use it for health benefits to shock their system after a workout. And because it's made from an old whiskey barrel, the wood gives the water a faint, sweet smell. It's a unique and very cool feature you'd never expect to find in a garage. Next to the garage is the utility room, which is very neat and organized. But more importantly, it has a wine fridge, so you can grab a drink on your way to the home gym. That's right, through the next door is a full gym. It has a treadmill, weights, and all the equipment you need. The ceiling has skylights, so it's bright and airy even though it's underground. You don't feel like you're in a basement. Now look at this big mirror on the wall. Seems normal, right? Give it a gentle push on the side, and the whole mirror swings open. It's a secret door that hides extra storage space for gym equipment, or anything else you want to keep out of sight. It's such a clever trick. Okay, let's head back up. We're going to the bedroom floors now. On the first bedroom level, there are 4 guest bedrooms. And I have to say, calling them guest rooms doesn't do them justice. Any one of these could be the main bedroom in a normal house. Each one has the same stunning, floor-to-ceiling windows with those unforgettable sea views. In this first one, they've used the space incredibly well. The headboard of the bed is actually a big, deep drawer for storage, and the entire wall behind me, it's not a wall, it's a giant floor-to-ceiling wardrobe. There's more than enough space for all your clothes. The owner of this house told the architects one thing: I want the best, don't worry about the cheapest option. And you can see that philosophy in every detail. The room next door is almost identical, just decorated in lighter colors. But let me show you something amazing about these windows. See these curtains? There are no cords. If you just give the bottom of the curtain a light tug, watch. They start to close all by themselves, smoothly and quietly. You can do it from bed. Imagine waking up, pulling the curtain gently and watching the morning sun light up the sea. It's a small thing, but it feels unbelievably luxurious. And every bedroom has its own speaker system, so you can listen to music or the sound of the ocean. Before we see the main bedroom, let's quickly look at the family bathroom that serves these rooms. It has a deep, freestanding bathtub with a view, a big walk-in shower, and a long double sink. There's even a small TV on the wall so you can watch something while you're in the bath. They've thought of everything. Now let's talk about one of my favorite rooms. This door leads to a flexible space. It's set up as a home office right now. Look at this desk. You sit here and your view is the endless blue of the ocean. How could you ever have a bad workday with a view like this? If you needed to, this room could easily be another bedroom. It's quiet, private, and beautiful. All right, are you ready for the main event, the principal bedroom? It takes up the entire top floor of the house. Let's go up. Walking in here, it takes your breath away. The room is enormous. The floor near the door is polished wood, but as you walk towards the view, it changes to a soft, warm carpet under your feet. It naturally draws you toward the windows. And what windows they are! Walls of glass slide open on 2 sides, leading out to a private wraparound terrace. You can stand in the middle of your bedroom and have a 270-degree view of water. On one side, you look down at the calm, golden beach. On the other side, you watch the boats coming and going from the harbour. Which side would you choose? It's an impossible decision. The bedroom itself is simple and calming. The colours are soft beiges and whites, like the sand and the clouds. There's no clutter, just a huge, comfortable-looking bed and a couple of chairs to sit and enjoy the view. The ensuite bathroom is like a spa. There's a large walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead and the same stone tiles from the living area. But the best part is the vanity. The sink is positioned right in front of another huge window. The owner said his idea was simple. You spend minutes every day brushing your teeth. Why stare at a wall when you could stare at the sea? He's absolutely right. It turns a daily chore into a moment of peace. Off the bathroom are 2 big dressing rooms. They have plenty of hanging space and shelves. One of them has a built-in vanity table with lights for getting ready. But we're still not at the highest point. There's one more place to go. Let's take the elevator all the way up to the roof. This is the crowning glory. The elevator opens into a small glass room at the very top of the house. Because it's all glass, you get a 360-degree view. You can see the beach, the harbour, the town, and the sea in every direction. It feels like you're in a lighthouse. The architect called it the turret. Now step out through this door onto the rooftop terrace. We are standing on top of the world. There's a sun deck with lounges and even a fire pit for cool evenings. Imagine coming up here with friends at sunset, lighting the fire and watching the lights come on across the water. There is no better view for miles. This space alone is worth a fortune. So we've seen the house, but the lifestyle of this place isn't just inside the walls. Come with me back down to the ground floor. This gate right here is your private passport to the beach. You unlock it, walk down a few steps, and your feet are in the sand. It's that easy. The beach is public, but this part is very quiet because it's away from the main car parks. It feels like your own private stretch of sand. And living here is about being on the water. The owner was kind enough to let us use his boat for the afternoon. So let's go see what this incredible house looks like from the water. From out here, you really understand the scale and the beauty of the property. It stands tall and proud right on the shoreline. Every single one of those big windows is looking out at us. It's a truly stunning sight. You can also appreciate just how close it is to the marina, where all the beautiful boats are kept. This is a life connected to the sea in every way. We're finishing our tour out here on the boat, with the sun starting to go down. So, what's the final verdict? Is this £12 million home worth it? Well, you're not just buying a house. You're buying a piece of the most beautiful coastline in the country. You're buying privacy, incredible design, and a lifestyle where every day feels like a holiday. From the secret bar to the rooftop fire pit, every detail has been thought about. It's a home for making unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this journey and can imagine yourself living here, please do us a huge favor. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps us out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, Winds of Thought, so you don't miss our next adventure into amazing places. Let us know in the comments below, what was your favorite part of this house? The rooftop terrace, the secret bar, or that unbelievable beach access? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next tour.